It's a very personal question. How are you doing? How are you doing? Is it well with you? Is the Lord King over your life? How are you doing? Do you run to the one that makes us well when things are not going well in your life? How are you doing? Where do you go when things are not making sense? How are you? Are you okay? Do you know who your maker is? Because if you run to the wrong place, that means you're not doing well. How are you doing? This world or this life is not doable without Jesus. This is what I'll submit to you this evening. You can never do anything outside of Jesus. We are nothing without Jesus. Hallelujah. I charge you this evening to make him the center of your lives. Glory to Jesus. Glory to Jesus. Ask your neighbor, how are you? It's for real, for real.